Looks like you're getting the hang of those rocket skates, Plory.
Are you sure skating is safe, Yoop?
Sure. Skating is fun. What could go wrong?
Agent X, can you help me read more about skating? I want to be sure I'm being safe.
Aha! So there are some tips and rules for skating. Oh, no.
I knew. Well, I know now. After reading the text, I looked up some safety tips for skating.
Great! It looks like you learned to wear a helmet and pads while skating.
Indeed. I feel much safer now.
In that case, let's turn up the power on your rocket skates. All right, you're ready to go! You! Plory, you're flying! Oof! Good thing you're wearing your helmet.